Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2017 Ford Explorer Limited all-wheel drive, stock number E2500XA. 40,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, magnetic metallic in color. Do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seat 7, leather interior. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row. The Explorer is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of room for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Seats will fold with the push of a button, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Easy to do, perfect when your hands are full. And also reverse to the upright position. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry, remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 3 drivers, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and power adjustable pedals to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with customizable dash on both sides. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio, 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. Navigation, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often, along with heated seats as well as cooled seats, keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission and all-wheel drive lock. Lots of storage space in the armrest and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Explorer has a 3.5 liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 16 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Explorer, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.